Hello and welcome to Step 8. Now we open our file. In this step, we're going to create a site. We will show you an easy way how to do this. So, first of all, we click on the Insert tab and import DWG file. In our additional files, we select our easy lines. We check for our insert properties. Now we open our file. We want to create out of those lines our site. So we switch in our Messing and Site tab, click Topo Surface. Now we use the Create from Import tool and select Import Instance. We select our site. Now we can select which layers our site should be created of. So we demark 0, click OK. And here's our site. We can change the material properties to grass. Click Material by category. And we select here site grass. Now we get a green site. We want to delete our easy lines, so we finish that mode and we select our lines with the tab button and we delete them. Now we can reshape our landscape. We select it, press Edit Surface, and you see our surface has been generated with many points. Every single point has its height. So if we select several points and give them a height of approximately 4 meters, our site changes, and we can also place single points. We assign a height of 8 meters, and we can place them on the site. Now we want to flatten half of our site, so we switch into the top view. Select more or less half of our point and assign a height of 0. If we move in our orbit, half our site has been flattened. What we want to do now is we want to create a road. So we select here subregion, switch in our top view. With our rectangle tool, we draw our road. Finish that sketch mode, and we can also change the material properties of our road to Tamacadam. We are already halfway through. Now we want to draw a river. So we select Split Surface, and we select our site. Now we can draw a line which splits the site into 2 pieces. We use this spline tool. Finish our edit mode. Now we can assign a new material to the front of our site. We select it, and in our material properties we select water. We can also change the render appearance, and we replace our material here to clear lake. Okay. We will create a building pad. We switch in our top view again. Select building pad. Now we use our rectangle tool and we draw a pad around our project. With the temporary dimensions, we can adjust the distances of our building pad. When we're done with that, we can finish the editor mode, and we see here our new building pad. We select site component and place some trees on our site. Revit automatically places our trees on the height of our site. We can select tree and also change its element properties, or pick another tree. Now if we want to hide our trees, there are 2 possibilities. We can hide a single tree and hide in view element, or you can use category and then all our trees will be hidden. So we use category and you see all of our trees have been hidden. So that's it for our 8th step, and we'll be back with more tips and tricks in the next step.